Hey guys, how are you doing? Do you make your own salad dressings or dips? Let's make one really quick, okay? Half a cup of peanuts and half a cup of pre-soaked cashew nuts. I'm also using 1 date, a tablespoon of baobab, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with the mother, all right? And then I'm using some citrus. I'm using half a grapefruit because that's all I have, juice from it. And then also a cup of orange juice. That's all I had to hand. You can interchange it, but then some citrus is really delicious. And then we're gonna add some black pepper because I love black pepper. We're also gonna add half a teaspoon of sea salt and also 1 cup or half a cup of olive oil, half a cup, reduce the fat. And then I always love some coriander seeds. Fresh ones are lovely. You can use the fresh coriander if you don't have the seeds. Now blaze this for a while and then I added my orange juice. Okay, simple. That's it. Everything is in there, guys. I do make really delicious salad dressings and they're easy to make and anyone can make them. So like, share, subscribe. If you've learned anything, let me know what you like about this, and if you've made it, let me know how you feel. Thanks and see you next